Hello future officers, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today in this particular, we will revise our daily current affairs, the current affairs of 25th June. Okay, so that will going to helpful for your upcoming exams such as SSC, Railway, PSC, Banking or any competitive exam. Okay, so if you are new in this channel, Exam Study, then do subscribe, press the bell icon for regular update. If you want to watch our old videos, then go to the playlist and you can attend the old classes from there. Okay, so let's start today's session. First question: which Indian cricket player has been appointed as the brand ambassador of wearable division of OnePlus? Option A, Ravichandran Ashwin. Option B, Virat Kohli. Option 3, Rajendra Jadeja. Option 4, Jasprit Bumrah. So, friend, here the correct option will option 4. So, Jasprit Bumrah has been appointed as the brand ambassador of wearable division of OnePlus. Okay, and this is Jasprit Bumrah. Let's see the next question. Which state government launched the 2021 agricultural desertification scheme? Option A, Odisha. Option 2, Arunachal Pradesh. Option 3, Telangana. Option 4, Gujarat. So here the correct option is Gujarat. Okay, so Gujarat state government launched the 2020 agricultural desertification scheme. And here you should remember few static things also. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. The governor of Gujarat is Acharya. The governor of Gujarat is Acharya Vart, and the CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. Okay, and the main thing you should remember that what is the purpose of the scheme 2021 agricultural desertification scheme. So the purpose is to make agriculture sustainable and profitable. Okay, now moving to the next question. Will an autobiography by a famous Hollywood actor, who is he? Option 1, Tom Cruise. Option B, Brad Pitt. Option 3, Leonardo DiCaprio. And option 4, Will Smith. So here the correct option is Will Smith. So will an autobiography of famous Hollywood actor Will Smith. And here it is. Okay, now move on to the next question. Sabha Sarkar appointed as the first female boxing coach of which country? Option A, Saudi Arabia. Option 2, Egypt. Option 3, Bangladesh. And option 4, Qatar. Okay, so here the correct option is option 2. So Sabha Sarkar appointed as the first female boxing coach of Egypt. And here says, okay, you should remember two static things. So the capital of Egypt is Cairo and the currency of Egypt is pound. Okay, now move on to the next question. How much crore did BCCI donate to Indian athletes participating in Tokyo Olympics? Option A, 20 crore. Option 2, 15 crore. Option 3, 10 crores. And option 4, 30 crore. So here the correct option is option 3. So BCCI donate 10 crores to Indian athletes who are participating in Tokyo Olympic. Okay. Now let's see the static things here. So the headquarters of BCCI is in Mumbai, and it was found in 1928, and at present the chairman of BCCI is Saurabh Ganguly, and the secretary of BCCI is Jai Saha. Okay, now move on to the next question. Which state's Economic Advisory Council did Esther Duflo and Raghu Chandanam Rajan belongs to? Option A, Odisha. Option 2, Tamil Nadu. Option 3, Uttar Pradesh. And option 4, West Bengal. So here the correct option is Tamil Nadu. So Raghu Chandam Rajan and Esther Duflo are the Economic Advisory Council, the member of Economic Advisory Council of Tamil Nadu. Okay, here you should remember few static things. That is, the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Okay, and at present the CM of Tamil Nadu is M.K. Stalin, and who is the governor? Banwali Lal Purohit. Okay, Banwari Lal Purohit. Okay, now move on to the next question. Which Indian Hindi film won Outstanding Achievement Award at the Singapore Film Festival? So which Hindi film got Outstanding Achievement Award at the Singapore Film Festival? Option 1, Oi Guitar. Option 2, Jungli. Option 3, The Art of Life. And option 4, Adrisam. So here the correct option is option 3, The Art of Life got Outstanding Achievement Award at the Singapore Film Festival. Okay, now move on to the next question. Here you should remember few things also about the movie. Actually, it was a movie based on sand art. Okay, and it relates the Odisha's art, about Odisha's art and tourism. Okay, so this is all about the movie The Art of Life related to sand art. Okay, and relates to Odisha's art and tourism. Now move on to the next question. Which union minister launched the Jaan Hai to Jahan Hai awareness campaign? Option A, Ministry of Minority Affairs, Ministry of Ayush, Ministry of Culture, and Ministry of Labor and Employment. So here the correct option will Ministry of Minority Affairs. Okay. Now here you should remember few things about it. That what is the aim of this campaign, Jaan Hai to Jahan Hai? So the aim of the campaign is to spread awareness about the vaccination, because there are so prejudices about vaccination. So that's why the Union Minister of Minority Affairs started this campaign in rural areas or in the backward areas. And at present, who is the Union Minister of Minority Affairs? Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Okay. Now move on to the next question. Nicola Pasiam is going to appointed as PM of which country? Option A, Belarus. Option 3, Croatia. Option 3, Italy. And option 4, Armenia. So Nicola Pasiam is going to appointed as PM of Armenia. Okay. So, and let's see about few static things. The currency of Armenia is Armenian drum, and the capital of Armenia is Yerevan. Okay, now move on to the next question. Which is the song published by Government of India on the Olympic theme? Okay, ऑप्शन 1 लक्ष्य तेरा सामने है, ऑप्शन 2 तेरा लक्ष्य सामने, ऑप्शन 3 लक्ष्य तेरा उतारना है, एंड ऑप्शन 4 none of the above. Okay, so here the correct option is लक्ष्य तेरा सामने है. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, so these are top 10 current affairs for today. I will bring back a new series today. Till then, stay well, keep study, and take care.